2018 Honda Accord. Here's a view you don't get to see too often. Let's look at the HVAC. So, you can see my, I don't know, my laser pointer show up? Or did my laser pointer die? Oh. My laser pointer died. Oh, battery's dead on the laser pointer. Oh well. Here's the battery case, or my battery case, HVAC case right here. So here's all the gearing that changes your door flaps by the little motor right here. So this will determine whether you get the defrost air coming right up here, hitting the glass, or going to the vents that come out. If that turns, it'll shut off the defrost. Then these will open up here that you can see where I'm touching right there. The air will come forward and come out your 4 duct dash vents that would be right here. So that's that. And then you have the shift. It could open up to the bottom. Here's your bottom vents, bottom vent on top of your foot right there. Here's your cabin air filter right there. There's your blower motor right there. Right here, as you can see, is where the air comes in to go to the blower that goes through the ducting back here to go in this direction to feed your case across the evaporator. Now, I got this advantage. I can stand up through the window, come over here. Here's the outside of your car right here where the grill is. And this is where the fresh air goes in through this area right here. And if you look at it, that's that right there. This would normally come forward. I can't bring it because it's on gearing. It's not old vacuum ones. But you can see this move right here. It's just like a big door hinge that goes like this. So when this comes over here and shuts down here, it opens up the backside, letting in fresh air. That's how you get the difference between your fresh air out here and your recycled cabin air that comes in off the floor behind your dash and gets sucked in. Recycling air. This is where you get your recycled air from. Right there. You have your lines right here. Following your lines, you have, where's the expansion valve? Can we see that? This one, the expansion valve is on the inside here, inside the case. So inside here, you have your expansion valve. You got your intercooler right here, your internal heat exchanger. You can barely see it, but that's that right there. This is where the liquid line, the hot liquid gas, goes through the cold suction line, and it removes some of the heat out of the gas, de-superheating it. And now you got a cool liquid that gets fed to your expansion valve right there. Our compressor, we cannot see it. There's no way to see where the compressor is on this one. And the heat exchanger is almost covered because this has the flaps here in the way. But you could see the liquid line right where I'm touching right there, that line, little thin line right there, going to the condenser. And here's your receiver dryer over here on this side, right there. So that's it on this 2015 Honda Accord. I believe it's 2018 Honda Accord. And that's it in a nutshell. Defrost, your face vents, fresh air, recycle.